Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs with another inventory truck here from Krietz Customs. I have here a 2018 Ram 1500 Express, and we're going to take a look at the specs of this vehicle. This one here has a 6-inch Pro Comp suspension lift on it. Your wheel and tire is going to be a 20x10 with a -24 offset. It is a Moto metal razor. It's a 978. This finish is satin black, and it's got some millings on the outsides of your spokes. The tire is going to be a Nitto Trail Grappler. It's a 37, 12, 50, 20, and it is going to be a more aggressive tire, so you're going to get a nice, more aggressive look. Your wheel-to-wheel Nerf bars are going to be from Enfab, and you also have your painted to match riveted pocket fender flares as well. If you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our inventory at KrietzAuto.com. The stock number is 192919. If you want to build your truck like this, check out our gallery on our Facebook page at Krietz Customs, or check out our website at KrietzCustoms.com.